Okay, what I'm doing here today is, what I have here is a computer chill mat with two fans, and this particular chill mat is completely broken. The wrong power supply was plugged in and it burned out the two motors. And so this is throwaway, so figured to have a little bit of fun with it. What I've got is my air compressor blowgun. Now, anytime you're being taught in mechanical schools of any kind, they warn you not to put a air compressor, like an air hose, when you're cleaning something. They say be careful around fans and bearings and things like that, because as much as the machine you're working on will spin that bearing very fast, it's nowhere near as fast as a air compressor blowgun can blow it. So that's the background on what I'm doing here. Is I'm just kind of seeing what happens when you put too much air pressure on a fan. And so what this will do is it'll spin it much faster than it's supposed to spin, and I don't have any idea what happens. What I have here is I've got my blowgun there with the small tip, and I have the compressor set at 90 psi. So, figure if we're going to spin it, we're going to spin it. So what I'm going to do is I will zoom in here, and I will put the blowgun right on it. Now it makes a pretty neat noise, that's for sure. I'll just do it a little bit at first here. Now it's shaking. See, I'm barely... that's not going to work. Okay, so what I did is I decided to back the camera up a little bit just in case those fan blades break apart or something like that. So I'm about 6 feet away now and zoomed in and in the shade. And so what I've done is I put it on a tripod and zoomed in, and now I'll go over there and blow the blowgun right on the blades, and it makes a neat sound. I haven't put it on full blast yet, but I will now. Okay, well, I didn't quite expect that. What we have is a siren, and it's blowing the chill mat. So now I've got to decide how to keep that from moving, and I'm going to turn this off for a second. I'm going to put on some safety goggles because I think something crazy is about to happen. Okay, so now I've got it weighted down with a jug of water, and I definitely got safety glasses on now. And so I will go full blast with it and see how loud it'll go and see if it can take the whole 90 psi. So here goes. Okay, so what do you know? They don't blow apart. I wouldn't recommend doing this anyway, because they could blow apart. And that's kind of the premise that a siren works on, like on a fire truck or like a big tornado siren or something like that. As you can hear, it's extremely loud, and it's just one of those things where I had to try it. And so, if anybody's wondering, that's what it does. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching.